You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of Italian origin, how it's pronounced in Italian, and how to say it in English. If you want to learn more confusing Italian pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You should watch. Italian pronunciation, Giada, Giada. You can essentially replace the GI with a J, alright? GI is just there like a J in Italian. So it's not Giada, just Giada. In English, it's normally pronounced similarly, Giada, but with a schwa sound, Giada, Giada, while the Italians would say Giada. It's clear? And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.